Keychron just released their brand new mouse. This is the Keychron G3 8K polling wireless mouse. And as you can see, this is one of the most unique looking gaming mice that I own. You're getting this clear semi-transparent case, which makes the mouse a lot lighter than it should be. And I can't even describe it, but holding this mouse, like the texture of this mouse is so nice. Like, I don't even know what material this is made out of, but let me tell you, this feels way better to hold than like my average gaming mouse. It also looks really clean with my setup. It's honestly surprising to see Keychron make a mouse this clean. Like, I'll be honest, Keychron is not the best when it comes to making gaming mice, but this one is like one of the cleanest ones I've ever put my hands on. There's also like a billion things you can do in the software for this Keychron mouse. You can adjust the debounce time, lift off distance, polling rate, literally anything you can think of, you can adjust in the software. And yes, this mouse is fully wireless, but you can have it Bluetooth or wired as well. Since Keychron just released this mouse as well, you're getting it for a little extra discount. So if you are interested in getting a brand new Keychron mouse that's also 8K polling and looks pretty cool, I'll let you that link below.